ये क्या मजाक हो रहा है? What is this guys? Guys मुझे कुछ भी समझ नहीं आ रहा है पर ये अब्दुल्ला मेरा गाइड है ये लगेगा guys. Let's go. मेरे तालिबान वाले को पिल्ला हान्छ त यार.
Like a good crazy.
Your girl. And I hear you calling up, yeah.
So hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. So आज चाहिँ हामी Canary Wharf गइरहेछौँ night view हेर्न. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Let's go. Heading towards Canary Wharf. And Abdullah is with me today. So let's go. So this is my first time in Canary Wharf at night time and I'm with Abdullah. And he's my uni friend. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe and like. Let's guys, go. So we are going to see the winter light. Came for you guys, so do subscribe.
You guys better subscribe.
Yeah, you guys better
Putting in so much
effort. I'm making
And
too
so
much
am I.
effort, yeah. Guys, wow. Not thande but let's go. Guys, this is so beautiful and I'm with Abdullah. Say hello, Abdullah.
Hello.
We got map.
See how dedicated we are for the vlog.
Like, share and subscribe guys. If you want more vlogs of London, then please do subscribe.
Let's go to the Jubilee Park.
Let's go. Let's rock it.
Other road bus.
रोड क्रॉस कर रहे हैं हम. Guys, train it है ना. Guys, today someone told me London में बसेर नि vlog नबनायो भने के को मजा हो र? नहीं?
Yeah. I said that, no?
Yeah, you're living in London, then you're not making vlogs. Then why you are living in London, bro?
बात तो सही है.
I mean, I wanna make vlogs, but I'm not confident enough.
Why you're not? I don't show my face as well. I just make vlog and I just keep it. Guys, तर मैले एक्सपेक्ट गरेको थिएन लाइक मेरो 1000 सब्सक्राइबर 5 दिन हो कि 6 दिनमा हुन्छ भनेर. अनि it means a lot for me. And I just love you guys. Thank you so much. I love you people.
So we're here right now.
Yeah.
Here. So we need to go all the way back to here and यहाँ से सारी यहाँ आगे. ये देखेंगे और ये देखेंगे.
Guys, मुझे कुछ भी समझ नहीं आ रहा है पर ये अब्दुल्ला मेरा गाइड है ये लगेगा guys. Let's go. कितना अच्छा है guys. Look, it's very beautiful. It's very beautiful guys. I think I need to buy camera.
We need to watch, see this one. See.
I think I need to buy camera of the.
iPhone है तुम्हारे पास मेरे पे भी कैमरा चाहिए. Is it not good enough?
It's not good enough. I want camera. Guys, someone buy me a camera. Please, guys, someone buy me a camera.
Okay.
Abdullah, what do you think?
About this?
Yeah.
This is okay.
Okay or okay?
Okay.
I feel
There's
this
some
is.
good ones, but they're very far away.
I think this is very good. Not only good, very good, guys.
I mean, yeah, it's creative.
We should appreciate it.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter whether it's good or bad.
उसका डॉग देखा तुमने?
ये साउंड कैसे आ रहा है? इसका ही आ रहा है.
विक्की का डॉग देखा कितना बड़ा हो गया?
हाँ. Guys, कस्तो खतरा लाइटिङ भइरहेको हेर न. I'm just loving it. why I'm so attracted towards Canary Wharf. Whenever I see it, I feel like wow.
जो अच्छी वाली lights है ना बहुत दूर है. So we're here right now and the अच्छी वाली lights are here. See?
So we don't have like lots of lights over here.
No. All these ones are not very good and these ones are very far. So let's go there.
I want to see that ball one, you know?
You will have.
Yes, this one.
And this is, you know, where? Here. And we're here.
Can't we
Like
go there?
15 minutes ago.
Let's go. Guys, यतिसम्म आएपछि त 15 मिनेटको वाक्य हो र हैन? You know what, Abdullah?
Yeah.
I can give my all. I can give my whole day for like walking over here.
Yeah, I can give it too, but I'm sick today, so.
Please, Abdullah, for me. I'm
What do you
sorry.
mean?
शाबाश बेटा.
What do you think I mean? Yeah, I'm sick. That means I'm sick.
Guys, this is so beautiful. I don't want to go home. I just want to stay here. अब चाहिँ मलाई लागिरहेछ कि म लन्डनमा छु. What do you think? After looking this, only you feel like you are in London.
I know, right?
If you-
Like the area where I live in, it doesn't even feel like I'm in London.
That's what I'm saying. Whenever I go home, I feel like I'm in village area. You know, guys.
Only feel like you're in London when you're either in Canary Wharf or in central London.
Yeah. And if we need to come here, it's take us our all. Like it's very expensive. We don't want to say it's expensive, but it is what it is.
It is like one of the most expensive cities in the world.
Yeah. And we are leaving here. It's already been 1 year, guys. 1 year. Not a joke. Money is nothing over the beauty of London. What do you say, Abdullah?
What?
Money is nothing over these beautiful
Yeah.
places. When you see this, you see nothing. When you see this, you see nothing.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
Guys, bench में पनि lighting है. सोडा है ना? Guys, कति राम्रो है ना? Whoa, the water is also so beautiful. Everything is so perfect.
बहुत ठंडा है.
ठंडा है.
लोग लाइट देख रहे हैं.
It's very cold. अब्दुल्ला, मैं इधर जाके कूद जाऊं. मैं इधर जाके कूद जाऊं.
क्या बोला तूने?
तो नहीं, तुम बस ठंड लगेगी तुम्हें.
कितना अच्छा है ना? Wow, it's a beautiful guy. Guys, कति Canary Wharf लाई मात्र हेर्नु, मेरो पनि तारिफ सुनौँ न है. Abdullah,
Yeah.
say something about me.
You're very, very crazy. You're very, very crazy. In a good way. In a good way. Crazy in a good way.
मेरो तारिफ हान्नु भनेको
Yeah.
पिल्ला हान्छु त यार. मेरो तारिफ हान्नु भनेको
Yeah.
पिल्ला हान्छु त यार.
Like a good crazy.
Good crazy.
And very honest.
लड्डा फंस गया. Abdullah, you should say I am crazy but I'm sweet.
अच्छा.
Yeah, that's what I said.
No, you told something else.
I said you're crazy in a good way, but you're very sweet. You're very real.
I'm very real, guys. In this generation, I'm very good. And you can see, guys, Abdullah is very handsome.
I can't see that.
किनकि तिम्रो आँखामा चस्मा छ नि त. You can't see because you have glasses in your eyes. Abdullah, कोहीले साइड हान्ने छ भने चाहिँ मलाई टेक्स्ट गर्यो हुन्छ I'll be texting him back. If anyone like him, please do let me know. अब्दुल्लालाई धेरै नहेरौँ होला अब चाहिँ हामी लाइटिङ हेर्न गइरहेको छौँ I feel like only this place is beautiful. Greenwichमा हैन
Greenwich is pretty as well.
Our university
is pretty.
Our university is pretty, but like not the places over there.
Yeah.
I don't feel like that.
Midnight and city lights on the other side. You're calling me up at the same time. I'm in the daylight. You're calling to say hi, but your words they cry. If there's something that you need to say, I know it ain't easy living inside your brain for sure. You keep telling me that it's all okay, but I know, yeah, your silence speaks so loud. Your silence speaks so loud, and I hear you calling up, yeah. Silence speaks so loud, and I hear you calling up, yeah.
Guys, today we had so much fun. Abdullah,
Yeah.
what do you want to say?
Subscribe.
Subscribe. We have nothing to say, just subscribe, guys. Okay, see you in next video. Bye bye.